buyers, sellers, friends, neighbors, and real estate agents. This is going to be a brand new listing in San Marcos on Chapala Drive, under 550,000, newly renovated. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,300 square feet, and a single story, really open floor plan, easy living. Check out that vaulted ceiling, large living room with large windows, light and bright kitchen with brand new cabinets and glass tile backsplash and stainless steel appliance. And check out that huge backyard. You can barbecue, nearly get a tennis court in here. Anything you can realize your ideas of a backyard. Now we have 2 bedrooms, and we also have built-in cabinets with a cute little room with a nice large closet as well. And we have another bedroom with, you could use it as an office. And we have the master bedroom has a large closet over 12 feet long, and also have a big slider going out to the backyard again. Come on by for the open house.